Hi, my name is Myron. I'm here to instruct you on how to seat the Dental Band Alginate Lock, also known as Dballock. The purpose of this device is to prevent the movement of stainless steel bands inside the alginate impressions when pouring plaster or stone into the negative cavity mode of alginate impressions. This device wasn't intended to be utilized in polyvinyl impressions. For you folks that have been in the dental assisting field or the dental laboratory field for years, you have always come across this problem: movement of the stainless steel band inside the alginate impression. There are folks who have had experience with this, and they sought to remedy this by putting super glue inside the impression and locking the band into place with super glue. Some folks crisscross 0.018 or 020 wire across the gingival top of the stainless steel bands to lock them into place. With this particular device, we have avoided those particular procedures in order to make it very convenient and easy for you to get this job done. The tools that you will need to achieve the proper seating of the Dballock are one pair of hemostats, one pair of scissors, or one pair of diagonal cutters. Step number 1, cut the horizontal bar of the Dballock in half, such as this. Number 2, with your hemostats, seat half of the Dballock over the gingival portion of the stainless steel band so that the straight leg comes inside and contacts the inner diameter of the stainless steel band, while the curly leg goes on the outside of the stainless steel band. So this should be relatively simple. We are not using live alginate material here just for demonstration purposes. We're using a polyvinyl, and so therefore that's why this is difficult to demonstrate. But basically that's the results that you're looking for as soon as I can manipulate this into place. Anyway, continue to seat the Dballock over the gingival edge of the band with the straight leg position on the inside diameter of the band and the curly leg position on the outside. As you're doing this, you have to continue to shorten the legs of the Dballock, such as this, because your ultimate goal is to get the Dballock seated on the edge of the band, and you want it to go flush all the way up so that there's no daylight showing in between the leading edge of the band and the inside portion of the Dballock. To maximize the seating of Dballock straight leg and curly leg into the alginate material, shorten the length of the curly and straight legs as I've indicated. And this is what it should basically look like if you have seated that Dballock successfully. Right through that area there's no daylight because the Dballock is seated straight down onto the gingival edge of the stainless steel band. Duplicate procedure number 5 by placing another Dballock diametrically opposed to the first Dballock that you seated. This will give the seating of the band stability, and then once you have achieved the seating of both Dballocks on each side, you can then pour your gypsum product, which may be stone, plaster, quick set, plaster, or etc. Any family of the gypsum products. Then, if you have a particular band that you need to place on the opposite side of the arch, such as this, then you go ahead and accomplish that and follow these same procedures and lock that particular stainless steel band into place as you did the first one with the Dballock procedures. Then it is time to pour up the impression, and I wish you continued success in seating both of the bands. Thank you very much.